Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you view the number of discovered URLs from your sitemap? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to view the number of discovered URLs in your website sitemap that was submitted to Google anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have all of your web pages or URLs discovered in Google to show up in search. So if you submitted 100 and only some of them are showing up or discovered, you may need to investigate the problem. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to see how many URLs have been discovered in your sitemap, here on the top left, make sure you're working in the correct property. Once you do that, down here, you want to click on indexing, and it's going to open up, and click on sitemaps. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different sitemaps that you might have submitted. You can see I just submitted one, and then off to the right, you can see this discovered pages. So you can actually click into the sitemap right here by clicking on the name of the sitemap. Once you do that, you're going to get an individual breakdown. So you can see for the page sitemap, 5 URLs. For the post sitemap, it's discovered 29 URLs. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to view the number of discovered URLs from your sitemap in Google Search Console, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.